Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately, Gemini. If you're not familiar with Gemini, it's a new large language model that's been developed by Google. It's designed to be able to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. 1. blog.ironmarcusa.com. blog.ironmarcusa.com. So, the question is Gemini legal in the USA? The answer is yes, Gemini is legal in the USA. However, there are some important things to keep in mind. What is Gemini? Before we get into the legality of Gemini, let's take a closer look at what it is. Gemini is a large language model, which means that it's a machine learning model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data. This data includes books, articles, websites, and other forms of written content. As a result, Gemini is able to generate text that is similar to human written text. Gemini can be used for a variety of purposes, such as generating creative content, such as poems, stories, and articles, translating languages, answering questions in an informative way, summarizing text. The legality of Gemini. So, is Gemini legal in the USA? The answer is yes. There are no laws in the USA that prohibit the use of large language models like Gemini. However, there are some important things to keep in mind. Disclaimer: I am not a lawyer, and this blog post is not intended to be legal advice. If you have any questions about the legality of using Gemini, you should consult with an attorney. How Gemini can be used ethically. Gemini is a powerful tool that can be used for both good and bad. It's important to use Gemini ethically and responsibly. Here are some tips for using Gemini ethically. Be aware of the potential biases of Gemini. Gemini is trained on a massive amount of text data, which includes human written text. As a result, Gemini may reflect the biases of the humans who wrote this text. Be careful about sharing sensitive information with Gemini. Gemini can store the information that you provide to it. As a result, you should be careful about sharing sensitive information with Gemini. Do not use Gemini to spread misinformation. Gemini can be used to generate fake news and other types of misinformation. It's important to be aware of this risk and to use Gemini responsibly. The potential benefits of Gemini. Gemini has the potential to be a very powerful tool. It can be used to improve communication, education, and creativity. Here are some of the potential benefits of Gemini. Improved communication. Gemini can be used to translate languages and to generate text that is easy to understand. This can help people to communicate more effectively with each other. Improved education. Gemini can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. It can also be used to help students to learn new skills. Increased creativity. Gemini can be used to generate creative content, such as poems, stories, and articles. This can help people to become more creative. Gemini is a powerful tool that has the potential to be used for both good and bad. It's important to use Gemini ethically and responsibly. By following the tips in this blog post, you can help to ensure that Gemini is used for the benefit of society. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.